suspect there was a time that you would say Kevin Downswell is a singer. Well, he's still a singer, but he's a minister. He's Dr. Kevin Downswell. And as far as I'm concerned, most importantly for me, he's my friend. And he's right beside me. Brother.
Blessings, family.
Morning, everyone. Unfortunately, we're not talking to you, so keep quiet.
I'll talk on behalf of everybody.
Tell me about this journey in a nutshell.
Humbling. It's been a journey of tremendous gratitude. You look back and you see the many times things should have gone a different direction. And you recognize at each and every crossroads, the grace of God.
Yeah. I think we all have we all have an ego. We all feel good when we are complimented and stuff. How do you feel? Every time you go, so a man say, no, sir, one of the greatest singers I'm ever hear, and which is true.
Yeah.
How you stay humble when you hear stuff like that?
Never, I don't think about it. My head doesn't go there. I'm full of gratitude, though. I appreciate people's, applause and commendations, but my head don't go there. I'm too lost in helping another man find his way to Christ every single day, every breath I take, than to occupy myself with what I feel I've accomplished.
Yeah.
Paul said, I count that all but nothing to Christ, to knowing Christ.
Tell me about that picture that we're looking at.
Oh gosh, why are you going to do that to me on the stage? No,
Well, I don't mean bring it up. Tell me about that.
That's my baby.
Yeah.
That's my everything right here. That's my little mommy. My little boss, who is 5 years old but acting like she's 50 right now, That's family. That's everything to me. When I don't care, no stage is bigger than that.
Yeah. You have so far to go still. I mean, you're still when you think about you're still a very young man. But during this journey, was there anything that you can stand up here and no, I never liked that. I should have done that. I could have gone here. Anything like that?
A whole heap. To be honest, a whole heap. But as I said earlier, grace. Oh God, the grace of God, man. He catches us when we fall. He redirects us when we made the wrong turn. And he's always there. God is just always there. His grace is everything.
Yep. I want to talk about your album coming up, but when did Kevin Downswell think that I have something that people might like?
Oh God, I don't know. I don't know. But I will say that years ago when I was in UA, I looked at God and I said, if you're gonna put me here, don't bother with the popularity, please. If you're gonna do what you want to do with me, just do it straight. And God said, that comes with it. But never focus on that. But I've never arrived, ever. I don't care how much people would say you're amazing and this. I think for me, my heart is always, every day's ceiling is tomorrow's floor.
Yeah.
I think Les Brown said it, always stay hungry.
Every day's ceiling is tomorrow's floor. Well, the people, let me just say, word. Obviously, you are a big artist, especially here in Jamaica. What happens when you go away? You go Africa, or how are you accepted there?
Oh, man. Number one, once you're Jamaican, African loves you. Brand Jamaica is everything in Africa. But I feel like God is doing something special with us in Africa now. And it's just been incredible love. Love, not just, love from the highest levels too. Right now, right after I leave here, I'm heading to Atlanta to meet with one of the largest names in Africa. And it's just gratitude to see what God is doing with not just Africa, but the world.
Tell me about the album.
So we're in over, the guys are behind me, especially Gitsy, no say. Me I wait for him overdub.
So Gitsy, I hold up the thing. Bye.
But man, that's all we're waiting.
Well, it's two Gitsy here, so hold on, which one? It's not him. See my man, yeah?
Listen, man, it's going to be one of the most incredible things ever. We're getting the overdubs done. That's where we're at. Post-production, and so we're hoping for September.
Collaborations?
Yeah, I can't say nothing yet, but It's going to be some major collabs on this one.
Yeah, you wrote everything?
Everything.
You normally do that though.
Always.
This is not something new.
I'm not exclusive though. If somebody would want to say, fine, but all the songs were written by me, but the guys around me helped to make sense out of my nonsense.
Yep. I mean, and as I said, I know you write all the songs. You're a gospel singer, so you're going to sing about God and stuff. How will you ensure that all of the songs them don't sound the same way and you're not telling the people the same thing?
You don't try, no? If you have a gift and God places it in you, you allow him to take it where he pleases. There's 2 songs on my album that says higher and fire in it, but they are complete different contexts. You understand? Your love lifts me higher when I should have been low. Your glove gives me fire when I should have been cold. And the song we're going to do next also has higher, completely different context.
I take back the humble thing, because I'm just show off one. Both to the boy, both say a while ago. Oh, you do that? That's amazing. When is it due? How many
September.
songs?
We're not going over 10. We're not going over 10. So look for about 8 to 10. And these songs are going to be incredible, phenomenal.
And final question, where is Kevin Downswell right now? And don't tell me you're standing up beside me. But where are you right now in your career?
Man, I feel like I'm at the start. I feel like God is doing something completely brand new. And I'm not anxious because the things I've learned in the past have given me enough confidence to not rush God. But I feel like we're at the start of something incredible. And I'm just ready. I'm the clay. He's the potter.
Love you.
Big up, big up.
Here's Kevin Downswell and friends.
Look how you take, look how you take, look how you take. When the flames were burning, I almost lost my mind now. Never felt like it would end. And when I cried out to the Lord one more time, He had to keep battle, see the victory. His praise I raise, no one can take it from me. What the enemy meant for evil was justifying. I used to take me higher. You taking me higher, higher, higher. Look how you're making me better from the fire. You taking me, 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 you taking me. Oh, there's some from you. Hands up, like this, say, oh, 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 from the fire, for your glory, from the ashes, beautiful story. Thank you for the heat.
Thank you, Lord,
for the pressure. Because in the fire, I found my treasure. For the fire would have taken you out. Now you're dancing where the chains held down. You're taking me higher.
it's a from the fire.
You taking me higher.
From the fire.
I want the band to play. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You taking me higher, 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 higher. Look how you're making me better, from the fire. You taking me higher, higher, higher. You're making me better, from the fire. You taking me higher, higher. Making me better, from the fire. Taking me higher.